Psst. How long did it take you this time? Come on, show me. Hey guys, how the bloody love are you? If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Oh, today I'm using my new rubber cutting mat. Let's see, I've done Thanos and Naruto using color markers. Thanos, that was my first rodeo with the color markers that I just got. Then Naruto, upping the game by trying shadows on clothes and pink on pink values and stuff. Today, I'm doing Genshin Impact. Let's get cracking. Enjoy. I tried playing this game since it's free to play on Windows. Well, that didn't go too well. My laptop won't let me. But I did like the character designs though. And I figured this would be a nice thing to post on the channel since I haven't done any art from video games ever. So as I'm doing the line art in this piece, I think I should tell you that I am on my third-ish hour doing this. I really take my time whenever I do anime as I'm not used to drawing this. Had this been some other type of art, say Marvel or DC comic characters, we'd be coloring by now. as we're getting close to coloring, I should point out that we will be using around 15 colors for this piece, including a few color pencils. Okay, on to coloring. I don't have a skin color marker that's close to the reference that I'm using, so I'm using color pencils. I'm doing all the skin colors for the ladies first, then color one character at a time. Guys, I'm hitting my 6th hour for this. Again, I'm really taking my time, and by far, this is my first piece with this much details and colors. It's been quite a challenge, really. If you're liking things so far, please subscribe and like this video. It will really help me a lot. Whew, 9+ hours, or more like 10+ hours, spread out in 3 to 4 days. But it was well worth it. I'm really happy how this turned out. Oh, and the raw video files of this piece alone is 120 gig. 120 gigabytes of raw footage. My hard drive is running on red with this piece, but it was well worth it, man. Guys, if you've made it this far, thank you. Doing this channel has really made me do a lot of things for the first time, and the community we've built has nothing been short of amazing and inspiring. So to everybody, thank you. Well guys, this is my lockdown take on Lisa, Amber, Kaeya, and Jean of Genshin Impact. Stay safe, stay indoors, and stay subscribed. This is Comics on Lockdown.